Okay. I'm gonna work these cervical muscles as well. Okay, good. How do those adjustments feel so far?
I feel rejuvenated. Oh.
He said he'd probably squirm a little bit on the soft tissue work. He's getting there. Okay, let's have you relax here for me. I want you to rotate your head to the left side. Come back to neutral. Now I want you to do the same thing, but I want you to go much slower than that. Rotate to the left. Come back to neutral. Rotate to the left. Back to neutral. Good. Okay. Rotate to the left. Sorry, rotate to the right. Come back to neutral. Rotate to the right. Not as bad on the left side, correct? Nope. Okay. We're gonna get some anterior shoulder work here, okay? So this is gonna be a little tender, all right? Let's
Should I get the...
Yeah, you wanna see if we can get this shirt off?
Yeah. Let me take my belt off. Show off my abs. Show off the jeans.
All right, so we're gonna work this anterior part of the shoulder here. Feel it right in here? Or you feel it more in here?
Up top more. Yeah.
Okay. So you're right here, right over the front part of the deltoid here. We're gonna work our way in. You feel it deep in there, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have your hand directly up. So your arm directly up, right there. Good. Now right here, I want you to extend your arm out to the side towards that right wall. And then come back to center. Bring it back up. Take your right arm out. Come back to center. Come back out. Back up to center. Back out. Up to center. Okay, let's go right here. Put your arm like this. Now when I tell you, you're gonna rotate like that for me. Feel that? How it's getting that little point right there?
Yeah.
Okay, start right here. Rotate back towards me very slowly. Good, come back down. Rotate back towards me very slowly. Good, you're doing it. Keep going, keep going. Okay, come back down. Rotate back towards me. Back, not as bad in there?
No.
It's definitely right in here.
Yeah.
Back down, go. One more time, forward, and back towards me. Good, okay. Let's see here. So that's more like tendons, muscle in there.
Yeah, I feel
right?
it like moving
Yep.
every time you
Yep.
pinch it. It like slides under your
Right.
finger.
And so imagine this shoulder being rolled forward all the time, so that the head of that humerus rolled into that tissue, so it pinches it, right?
Yeah.
So that's why it never goes away, because you had this for years. You've had that anterior roll for years, and just no one ever really taught you how to correct it, right? Did we kind of give you a general idea on how to fix it today?
I'm literally gonna look up for the rest of my life. No eye contact from now on.
That's right. That might be best with certain drill sergeants, huh?
They'd kill me.
Alright, good. Hey guys, don't forget to like our stuff, tag your friends, share it, YouTube, Facebook. We definitely get in and do some, we got a good little red response, some soft tissue work in here. chiropractic adjustment. We have a massage therapist, of course, myself, Dr. Diaz. I'm getting on some chiropractic adjustments here. Oof. How you feeling there, bud?
I feel like my arm is new. Mostly.
Good.
It hurts, but like
Yeah.
it's working.
Yeah, you're gonna feel pretty good right out. It'll be right after, but during, like we said, you're gonna sweat it a little bit, but you'll be fine. All right, good.
A little bit.
All right, brother, good. Help you up here. Don't forget to like our stuff, tag your friends, comment, share. That's huge on for our following. Like our pages, right? Like our Facebook, our YouTube. Become followers, and we'll catch up with you guys next time. Thanks.